In this video, I'm going to show you how to change candle color in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is switch over to the candle chart. So click on candles up top over here where you can change the type. And then from here, go to the settings button top right. And from here, as you can see, you want to switch over to symbol, which is the first option inside settings. Then over here, you can just select the colors you want to use on your candles. So over here, as you can see, you have body, borders, and wick. And of course, you can, kind of show these or hide them if you wanna. So I'm just gonna go and change the body over here. I'm gonna go a light blue, and then on this one I'm gonna do yellow. And as you can see over here, it will change the candle color. Of course, I can go and change the borders as well, so it actually matches like this. So if I go like that and then like that, there we go. I can also change wicks if I want to. So in my case, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, and there we go. You've successfully changed candle colors in TradingView. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.